Hey guys, what I got here is I want to check see if I got any leak around my head gasket or blown head gasket. One way to check it if you got blown head gasket is turn the engine over and try to listen for the hissing sound. But if you got small leak, you never gonna hear it. So what I'm doing, I rig up my compressor line coming in to my ball valve, pressure gauge, and hooked up the hose to the cylinder. That way, this ball valve, I can control the airflow. And make sure you're at top dead center. That way all your valve be closed. And you gotta have a soapy water in a squirt bottle. Basically, all you have to do is pressurize it. I'm gonna turn it up about 20 psi. And I'm already start hearing the leak already. So that's a bad indication that you got a leak around your head gasket. So put the water around the head and watch for a bubble. In this case, you can see or not, yeah, that leaking is pretty bad. So I think this is a more accurate way of checking it, especially when you have a slow leak around your head gasket. I'm going to turn off the pressure. Thank you for watching.